Imagine a world where workers have no voice. Collective bargaining changes this by empowering employees to negotiate as a group, balancing power dynamics with employers. It's a vital tool for fair labor practices. Collective bargaining is the process by which employers and trade unions negotiate to determine terms and conditions of employment, such as wages, working hours, benefits, and other workplace rights. This process fosters mutual cooperation and aims to prevent industrial conflict by providing a platform for dialogue and compromise. In South Africa, the right to engage in collective bargaining is closely linked to the constitutional right to freedom of association. Although there is no constitutional obligation to bargain, the Labor Relations Act encourages collective bargaining as a means to achieve fair labor practices. Collective bargaining can occur at various levels, including workplace, sectoral, or national levels, depending on the nature and scope of the bargaining parties. In conclusion, collective bargaining is a fundamental tool in labor relations that promotes fairness, stability, and mutual respect in the workplace by enabling workers to negotiate collectively with their employers. Thank you for joining us.